This is Halloween Town, just like the book. The decorations, the goblins, the witches, the ghosts.
Welcome.
Okay, hey, you in the mood for pancakes?
Pancakes, sure. Yeah, I guess we have enough space for pancakes.
Because I'm making pumpkin pancakes, and it comes with homemade cinnamon butter.
You make cinnamon butter.
This is how you make those viral, trendy spiderweb pretzels, y'all. They're super easy to make. You are going to need some pretzel sticks. Make sure you start off with a cross shape and build your web from there. That's the easiest way, in my opinion. You're going to take some melted white chocolate and seal those pretzels in the center. And hopefully you do have a squeeze bottle, because that would make it so much easier to create this wonderful design for your web. I would also recommend to make these one at a time. I did not, but keep in mind you're going to be topping these off with sprinkles and you want them to stick. To get more of a web-like look, you're going to take a toothpick and just run it in between the pretzels very gently. Lastly, all you have to do is top them off with some good old sprinkles, and that's it, y'all. Super easy. Now, I wanted mine a little bit thicker, so mine do look a little thick. However, look, y'all, I did that. And you can do it too if you believe in yourself. And I love chocolate covered pretzels, period. So this was perfect for me.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash can. Something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream. This is Halloween, red and black,
And slimy green.
aren't you scared? Well, that's just...
Light it up, yeah, light it up, light it up.
Matcha potato.
Welcome back to my Halloween food series. Today we're making crispy chili garlic bat wings. Start with 6 whole chicken wings and place in a Ziploc bag. To a bowl, add a 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons chili paste, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and 5 drops of black food coloring. Pour over your chicken, massage and marinate overnight. Use a toothpick to separate the wingettes and drumettes, then place on a rack and allow to air dry overnight in the fridge. Or you can just use a hair dryer on the cool setting until all moisture has evaporated. Air fry or bake with the convection setting in your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Remove toothpicks before serving. Enjoy!
candy corn jello shots that are just so dang cute. Let me show you how to make them. Start with your yellow jello. Now the fun part, you're gonna add a cup of vodka and very carefully fill them up just halfway. First layer done and into the fridge to set up. And now we're gonna mix up our orange jello. And don't forget to add the vodka to the orange jello. And very, very, very carefully pour in that orange jello right on top of the yellow. How stinking cute, and into the fridge to set up one last time. And then you're gonna top them off with just a little bit of whipped cream and garnish with a little candy corn. How cute.
I literally can't stop watching this video because of how satisfying that crunch was. Also, this Oreo Halloween bark is so easy to make. All you have to do is spread your melted white chocolate onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, add all of your favorite toppings, chill, and enjoy.
Halloween, pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat, tell the neighbors gonna die of fright. It's our town, everybody scream. In this town of Halloween.
You have to make this spooky cookie pizza for Halloween. This is one of those recipes that's perfect for when you want to look fancy, but you're in a pinch and have less than 30 minutes to whip something together. All you need is pre-made cookie dough and frosting from the store. Be careful with how much dough you use though, because mine almost always overflows. Definitely give this a try and send to your friends so you don't forget to make it.
This entire set was made with just circles. You heard that right. So here we have Frankenstein on a circle. I've done this on a square. You can do it on just about any shape and it still looks like Frankenstein. I'm doing his hair as a second layer just as personal preference, but you could all make it one layer too. And I'm actually using one consistency here. Can you believe that? It's all flood.